Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a collab with a few different ladies. We're going to be doing a $10 home decor challenge. We're all doing different parts of our home. So I think it's really exciting to do that just because you guys are going to get all kinds of different ideas on all of our channels. So I was contacted by Belinda Soto and I absolutely love her channel, and she's the one who invited all of us to do this collab. So thank you, Belinda, for contacting me. So the ladies in this collab are Belinda Soto and Josie from Life at 50 and Beyond, Araceli Chan, and then Lisa from GreenCrystalRose. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a $10 challenge, and I'm going to be doing a centerpiece for my dining room. I came up with a few and I couldn't decide which one I liked better. So I'll let you guys decide which one you like better, and I'm just going to get started. For the first centerpiece, I'm going to use these Welcome Family and Friends, this Waverly chalk paint in white, and be using 4 mason jars, and then a bunch of flowers from the Dollar Tree. I got these Delilahs, and then some white berries. He got it out for me. So my husband was nice enough to cut one of these in half for me, and then I just painted them all white with the Waverly chalk paint, and now I'm just gonna glue them with E6000 and hot glue together to make a cute little centerpiece box. And then the pieces of wood are kind of flimsy, so I just kind of left them there to dry for a little bit, and then I cut out a piece of cardboard to go on the bottom, and then I just had this contact paper left over from a different DIY, so I just put that on top of the cardboard so it didn't look like cardboard, and then I just cut that off, and then I just glued it right to the bottom of the boards so it would look like a own little centerpiece box. And once that was put together, I did put some mason jars in here, and I also tied some twine around the tops of them. And I did start out with these berries in all 4 of them, and then I just started adding moss to the bottom since this little tray ended up being a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. And so I just wanted to add moss just to fill it a little bit better. Alright, and this is round 2 of doing the flowers in here. I did end up adding fairy lights. I got these from a company called ONFORU, and I really love their fairy lights because they have small little battery packs in them. So I just put these in all 4 mason jars, and then I did end up using the Delilahs in 2 of these jars, and then the white berries in 2 of these jars. Such a lion searching prey. Sweet talking dirt. And this is what this centerpiece looks like when it's all completed. I absolutely love this one, and this cost just under $10 to make. And then I also showed you a clip with the all berries, and I'm just undecided of which one I like better. The next centerpiece, I'm just going to be using these foam craft balls. These were all from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just going to be using some of these little wooden dowels, which are also from the Dollar Tree, and some of this nutmeg brown acrylic craft paint. So to start with, I'm going to take 2 of the bigger craft balls, and then I'm just going to take hot glue and glue moss all around these, and then I'm going to take 2 of the smaller ones and do the same exact thing. On the floor, look like an honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way it goes. Buzzing like. And I did lose some footage, but I did get these little clay pots from the Dollar Tree as well, and some of this floral foam. And I'm just cutting the floral foam up to put in the little clay pots. I did paint these white with the Waverly chalk paint. And then I'm just painted the wooden dowels with the brown acrylic paint, and then I'm just adding the moss balls that I made to the dowel, and I'm making little topiaries. I think these are so cute. I ended up only using one of the balls because the wooden dowel was just not tall enough, so it kind of looked sort of weird, as you can tell. So I wasn't super happy with that, but so like I said, I just used one of those balls instead. He thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break. The next thing I'm going to be using for this centerpiece is just a 5x7 frame from the Dollar Tree and this Waverly chalk paint in white. I'm just going to be painting the whole frame white, and then I also just got a free printable from Pinterest, so I will leave that in the links in the description box below if you want to check out that free printable. Then I just have this mason jar pitcher. I got this from a thrift store for only 99 cents, so I'm going to be using this and these little flowers from the Dollar Tree. I don't know the name of them, so I'm just going to cut them down and shove them right into this little mason jar pitcher. And then once I made everything for the centerpiece, I'm just going to start adding everything together. So I took the little topiaries in the picture and I just kind of started styling it. I did have to redo this just a few times because I wasn't exactly sure how I wanted to do this. And then I did have to add a little bit extra moss to the little topiaries. And I just kind of put the little center or the picture frame in the center. I thought this would brighten it up and give it a little more color since everything is kind of green and dull. And I did add another one of these little floral things right to the bottom just for a little extra because the tray still seemed pretty empty, and then I had extra moss balls, so I just added those as well. And then if you're wondering where I got the little galvanized tray from, that came from Dollar General last year and it was only $5, and I really like decorating this a lot. I've used this every single holiday, and this I think is perfect for a spring centerpiece. But that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoy this, and make sure you go check out the links in my description box below so you can check out the other girls who are in this collab so you can see what they did for their $10 spring decor challenge. But if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.